ICI has been getting a lot of flack also now, di ba? Because people are sort of prematurely judging what's going to happen in terms of what the ICI is out to do.
This is a process.
Yeah.
Much of what we've heard are allegations.
Right.
Si ganyan, nagnakaw eh. Si ganyan, binigyan ko ng pera. Si ganyan. We have to prove it.
Yeah.
You don't want to go after people who are innocent. Now, we know many of these people are not innocent.
Okay.
But if you're going to bring them to court, you must have a very strong case. Look, anong mangyayari? Minadali natin. Hindi kompletong ebidensya natin. Malabo yung ebidensya natin. Pero pinilit natin.
Yeah.
Natalo yung kaso.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
I know.
I think that will be much, much, much worse.
But I think that's also something that the people who like marched on September 21 have to kind of understand also, di ba?
Yeah, but you know, it's understandable din eh, because it's the sins committed, and I call them sins. It's
Right,
it's no longer mistakes or corruption. The sins they committed are it's hard to swallow. I understand that, but if we, we are a nation, a people of laws. We have to follow the law. Otherwise, whatever we do is not legitimate. O, ikulong mo yan. O, sasabihin, hindi, wala ka namang ebidensya, wala ka namang ipinakita, hindi mo sinagat yung ganito, hindi mo sinagat. We have to be thorough also. If we're actually going to punish these people, we have to be very, very clear about what we are doing. And we have to be very, very clear that we go after the guilty ones. Because some of the guilty ones, they're trying to derail the system.
of course.
Hindi ako yan, si ganito yan.
yeah.
Baka mapunta tayo doon, no? Let's make sure that we get that yung talagang
And
guilty.
then confuse the issues, di ba? Yeah.
Well, that's one of the political and legal strategies that people employ.